All right, it is a brand new day. We're getting our hair did right now. Give a shout out right now.
Yo, Catsy, what up?
Yeah, that's who it is. We're getting my hair done. We're gonna do something with this crazy mess of you call hair. We're here at the store right now. Alfredo's here. And I'm very excited about getting this all fixed. What are we doing to my hair right now?
We're gonna put some black on these roots and make it gray. Make it silver. Gonna make it look cool.
Yeah.
Right now we're doing that base. We're gonna go dark with the base here to make it look a little bit grown out effect, you know? And then we're gonna add that charcoal on at the end.
Oh, there you go.
Mixing it up here.
Natural. We're trying to make it natural as possible. This is what it looks like right now. The black working in there. Now I gotta let it chill for about 30 minutes. And then, yeah, there's a lot more to be done to his hair right now. So how come you put a conditioner while you do this?
So when I rinse it, the color doesn't fade into the blonde.
So when people trying to do this, you gotta put conditioner?
You don't have to. This is the way I just do it.
It's a safer way?
Safer, yeah. You be safe with it, you know?
Yeah.
Stay safe.
My hair is getting, well, we're waiting for my hair to be done. There's a bunch of clips that I forgot to post. It was from the S&M Jam, the 30-year anniversary. So I'm gonna play all those clips right now. It's like literally one of the best times I've had in a long time doing the dirt bike thing. So these are just like all the random clips that I got of everybody riding the trails and everything like that. So I'm gonna play those and come back.
I almost have the last one.
Yeah. Fuck yeah, dude.
Wait, that's where we are right now. Alright, right now we have a freaking 30 here and 33 going down. Wait, shut the fuck up. Mike's off, babe. Yeah, that's why I'm not. I did too.
There needs to be like 8 people max. I know fuck people that would talk to me in my face. Like, I'll be your ass here, I have to talk to you drunk.
I just fucking, my body got too weak and shit and started shutting down. Tell me you know what it's called.
I mean, Sean knows. Sean and I are like best friends, and it's like, which is really weird. I don't think Jay is off. Jay's gonna get it once he gets back. It's like
That fool's friend.
Southern Oregon before. Yeah, dude. Let's go.
I knew it! Holy shit. Yeah, baby.
Yo, you landed it? What the fuck, dude? Holy shit.
Pick it up. Is that a rock right there? Watch out! Oh!
I had to flip that shit.
You gotta fucking haul ass.
Dude, you gotta go pin it. Dude, you gotta pin that shit.
Dirt pig.
Hey, you got that. Dude, you let off.
Tucker, right, hang 5 in.
Oh! Damn! Fuck!
Oh, he went to neutral.
That was it, he said!
You got this, bro.
It's so hard to fucking get through this soft ass dirt. I haven't. There's the people following over there.
Are you alright? You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Yo, boys, I tried hard.
Oh my god. Hey, watch out!
It's not on that thing.
Oh my god! Oh. Watch out, watch out! Hey, watch out!
Watch out.
No.
I don't.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Bar spin the gap. Yo. There you go. That's what we're working with right now. What a holy shit. It's a wig for sure. Alright, what are we doing next?
Right now we're putting the charcoal on the ends.
Yeah, we're putting that charcoal. So we're gonna do the black root fade into some charcoal. I look like Queen Latifah or some damn R&B artist. What you doing now?
Putting that charcoal in there.
How do you mix it?
Just straight up.
Straight out the bottle?
Straight out the bottle, yeah.
No chemicals needed?
No, no mixing, nothing. Straight Gai Tang, baby.
There you go. What color is it? So what brand?
Charcoal Gai Tang.
Okay, okay.
My identity.
What's up, Stan? Yeah.
Proper gang.
Proper gang.
Yeah.
Can you buy those?
No, yeah, actually, it's not mine.
No?
It's actually, I bought this shirt from a store called Union in La Brea.
Okay.
And then Hey.
That was a proper man, though.
Yeah, proper man.
Just got done doing my hair. Here it is. I went back to black, but I'm fading it. It's a little charcoal. You guys can't see it because it's wet right now, but it's charcoal. Everybody make sure to hit up Yo Cassie on Instagram. Shout out Nick. Always come through. If you guys, girls, guys, whatever, he is local to LA, so make sure to hit him up. It's gonna come through, but you guys will see all the gray in it, like the charcoal color soon. But we're gonna hang out here. The homies ended up showing up. Shout out who you are.
What up? My name's Christian Eineder from Grain Theory. How we doing?
And then who are all the boys?
I'm Hong Boots from Grain Theory.
It's your boy Earl Millions from RWB.
There you go.
John Farrow.
There you go. They're at you're from Kendama? All right, they're gonna show us some tricks, just like Max Norcross and all these other fools. Wow. Wow. Damn. What? Wow. Whoa, dude. Oh, got the pizza going. Oh, dude.
Here we go.
No.
We out here.
There you go. Get it, get it. Woo. Oh, dude. Get the line, dude. Oh, the kid's nice with it. Damn, get some. There you go. What?
Nice. Nice.
Wow. Dude. Wow. What a thug, dude. Dude. Hell yeah, baby.
Yeah, man. This is for you. This is a fresh Grain Theory kendama.
Thank you.
That's for you
Where
guys.
can the kids get these?
Check out Grain Theory. You can check them out on Instagram, Grain Theory Official.
Yes.
YouTube, all that stuff.
Thank you guys.
Check it out.
You guys got a shout out for hooking us up for the kendama. Thank you guys. Grain Theory, thank you so much. Now we're about to take a photo for the store. I'm already dropping it and messing it up. Just got done over here at Oz's store, got my hair did, hung out with the kendama dudes, hung out with everybody. It was a really awesome day, so can't complain. The weather is beautiful. It's a beautiful day, man. Summer days. It's actually starting to feel like summer, and I cannot complain. Let me know what you guys think about my hair in the comments. I know a lot of you might be hating, but I don't care, but just let me know. So I'm gonna go home, back to Long Beach, chill out, eat, and then that's it. Go to bed, edit this video. Yeah, until tomorrow. I want to ride. Hopefully be riding pretty soon, so gotta take care of a lot of work before riding. But I might go to San Francisco this weekend for a few days, so who knows. But on that note, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Later, guys.